Hello everyone, I welcome you all again to another episode of Folklore and Culture. We are going to talk about the nomadism. So we were already talking about nomadism and migration a lot. We'll be talking about the hunting-gathering tribes. It's also very interesting to know that these hunting-gathering tribes are very primitive in its ways, and the ways of subsistence has changed a lot in all of these centuries, but these tribes are still following the same patterns of subsistence. So these hunting gathering tribes led a very abundant life with their traditional lifestyle and subsistent patterns, but due to certain ecological changes, political changes, demographic changes, and government policies, they had to change their way of subsistence. During the colonial rule, it was very important for the rulers to have access to the forests, and because that was the source of revenue and profit, and that is why these hunting, gathering, foraging tribes got their rights curtailed. In the post-independence period, various government policies had a far-reaching effect on the foragers. For example, National Forest Policy of 1952 debarred the local community from both managing and benefiting from the forest produce. Another act, Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1991, banned bird trapping and selling of birds. Other reasons like encroachment or deforestation and shrinkage of forests added up to these difficulties. The symbiotic relationship between the foragers and the non-foragers eventually got altered. Some foraging tribes like Malaya Pandaram had acquainted themselves with the new cultural traits and adapted themselves in the surrounding communities in order to facilitate the social interchange within the village. Similarly, in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Andaman government has provided certain permanent settlements for the tribes for the Great Andamanese by providing them with clean access of drinking water, healthcare services, electricity, and other amenities. These factors actually altered their lifestyle pattern and way of subsistence. And there was dramatic change in the foraging tribes, leading them to their sedentary patterns. So here we end the discussion for the day, but do remember to subscribe or follow me so that you can hear such content in the future as well. And I would certainly like to hear from you whether you're liking this content or not, whether you want to discuss certain parts of it or not. And even if there are certain suggestions, it's very much welcome. Thank you so much for watching this till the end. Bye-bye.